Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Do vinyl fence posts need wood inserts? If you're installing a new post, wood inserts help provide more stability to your post, and therefore entire fence system. However, without proper drainage, putting a wooden post into concrete inside your vinyl post can cause problems.
Take our lead.
Minimum 2 inches. When installing your fence or gate, we recommend installing one post in section at a time. 7. We recommend allowing a minimum 2 inches clearance between the bottom of the panel and the ground. Resting the bottom rail on a 2x4 to keep it level while assembling the panel will also make it easier to insert the pickets.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Emmett and I were both surprised how easy it was to install a vinyl fence. It's the first one we've ever done and it went really smoothly. I use the term easy pretty loosely because the fact of the matter is this: it is a difficult, strenuous project that requires a lot of elbow grease.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.